Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to actually apply the rhinestone decals that we made with the hot fix rhinestones. Okay, so if you're familiar with the wet method when applying vinyl, this is super similar. Okay, so first things first, you need to have like a little spray bottle, something like so. The only thing in here is rubbing alcohol. It's about half rubbing alcohol, a little bit of water, and then a couple drops of dish soap, okay? So equal parts of rubbing alcohol and water is fine, and then just a couple drops of dish soap, and that's all you need. Okay, so we've already wiped our silhouette cameo. We're gonna actually put it on our silhouette. So, first thing we're gonna do is remove our backing, okay? The actual decal material is very sticky, so you don't want to get it on anything. All right, so what we're gonna do is actually dampen our surface that we're gonna apply the decal to, and then we are going to dampen the back of our decal a little bit, okay? Now, from here, we're just gonna turn it over, and then that way we can lift and move it as we like. Once you find a place that you like, then all you're gonna do is push it down. We're just trying to get some of that water out from behind it. The rubbing alcohol will make it dry super quickly, so you don't have to wait forever. And that is it. You just want to leave it where it is, let it dry, and then your rhinestone decal is done. Hopefully y'all can see the sparkle for this. So that is our rainbow hot fix rhinestones on decal material, and that is how you actually apply a rhinestone decal. You'll do the same method if you're applying to a car window, anything like that. Any hard surface, basically. Any rhinestone decal, any hard surface, that's what you'll use. So it's just water, rubbing alcohol, and a couple drops of dish soap. So I hope that was helpful, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time with more videos.